Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the Krea AI. So this is a generative AI. You can click it, open your in your browser. In this website, Krea.ai, you can generate a video. You can click in this green generate video. So you can continue with Google to sign in. You can start by click on start button here. So let's start by open app and generate video. So in this a generate option or the keyframes here, you can add or you can adjust the speed, the aspect ratio here, and also the motion intensity here. You can choose increase or decrease. If you increase, the motion will be fast. And you can turn off loop video also. See, if you see this keyframe, you can click it and you can upload your video from your file, the image from your file, or you can use a generator here. Here you can type anything here. For example, I want to type a ninja. Sorry. Here, for example, and you can enter, or you can try to randomize. So this is the ninja. Sorry. And also you can make a text from here, like a shinobi here, and you can also add more of the image here. Sorry, you can delete this. So please free to try to use your this Krea AI. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you.